All right, Midesh, thank you so much for joining in and giving us your tomorrow trade. So let's start to wind down things. It was an interesting day of trade where the market opened slightly flattish, thereafter saw a bit of a decline. Then somewhere midday we saw a bit of a recovery. All in all, it was a range-bound trade where the Nifty is actually ending lower by about 100 points. The Nifty Bank continues to underperform, down about 250 points. In fact, from Friday's high, the Nifty Bank is down closer to 700 points. The Midcap index as well showed signs of recovery, during the day, but thereafter ends with a cut of almost 200 points, with way more stocks declining than the number of stocks which are advancing. 1,400 stocks in the red for about 900 stocks which are in the green. The top notable gainers, we had the likes of L&T, Power Grid, Adani and Tata Consumer. On the way down, we had Asian Paints, Apollo Hospital, Hindalco, Divis Labs, all of them on the lower end of things. Asian Paints, of course, because of the fears of competition coming.
Okay, on the mid-cap screen, there's a fair amount of red, though it's the mid-cap index hasn't fallen as much as the Nifty. But if I talk about the red areas, Alchem, because of this whole report suggesting that there are some income tax issues or the company is denied it, 7.5% down on Alchem. Tata Tech has had a weak session today, 5% down on this newest kid on the block from the Tata stable. Then we've had some sell down in a couple of PSU names like New India Assurance down 5%, Irida is down 5% as well. And by the way, of course, Rain Industries, bad numbers for Rain, 8% down on that stock as well. So those are the losers. The mid-cap gainers would include names like PB Fintech, then 361 Wealth Management, big day for the stock, 7.5% up, and even Paytm managed a bit of a 5% up move. But largely speaking, all the key benchmark indices going home in negative territory. So a weak start to the week. Well, with that, it's a wrap on this edition of Closing Bell. Many thanks for being with us today, but don't go anywhere because all the market action will continue. Markets Forward coming up next.